cute.
No, it's a, what is that? Is that a dog? Is that a dog?
Fish, 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 fish.
Fish.
Fish, fish, yes, fish.
Maybe.
Fish. Fish.
Maybe. Huh. Okay. That's a lot of drones. I think it's a better view here. Better view than down there. Too many people.
This area, coming across the bridge, it was nice. They're all in BCLC here. You can't see it too much, eh?
No, actually, it's better here than down there.
Yeah, good. Well, I got the trees and stuff, unless you're on the beach.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Jeez, I don't know why I have close encounters of the third kind buzzing around in my mind. Are we being invaded by flying saucers? I have a drone, but I haven't used it in a long time.
Yeah. Well, we thought we'd do a little bit different this year rather than the fireworks, so.
Who's we? Are you in charge of this?
Multicultural Society. Yeah.
Multicultural Society. But why couldn't they have fireworks? Because we've had so much rain.
Yeah, well, you never know.
Yeah.
Plus, animals don't like the bang bang, the veterans.
Yeah, I heard that. The dogs.
Have that every year, so.
When I lived in southern Alberta, I had my dog in my lap for Canada Day, and it was just shaking. So what's this going to be now? Boy, that must have took a lot of planning to coordinate these.
Takes us a year for that there. Yeah, that's.
You were in charge of the graphics for this?
No,
and all that?
no.
Oh.
I just paid for it.
Oh, great! Now we can't get across the bridge. Run! Now what's this gonna be? That guy better hurry up. Very good, Abby, very good.
Very good, yes, yes.
I convinced him to walk down here from up there. He's on Battle Street, and I walked across the bridge. I'm over there.
Oh, yeah, good.
And
a lot of people on the bridge too, I think. They sit on the walkway there.
That would have been an idea.
Yeah.
Hey, we should do that.
How long has this been going on?
Oh, it started 8 minutes ago?
Did it? Good. So just start. I didn't miss too much.
No, we had no internet. They blocked internet signals down there.
Oh, that's what I found all day with my phone. I'm trying to phone out. And
I need my phone to talk to him. He's Iranian. He doesn't understand English, so I need to translate.
Yeah.
Hey, what's that? What is that? What is that? Boy, he took a risk. What is that? I don't know. What's that?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
Well, that's something. Huh. This guy, he helped put it together. He helped put it together.
Yes, yes.
What is that? Oh, that's cool. That's neat. Wow, how did they do that? It's a good thing there's no wind tonight. It's a good thing there's no wind tonight.
Yeah, or rain.
Right.
If it would have rained, they wouldn't have gone up.
Really? That's good. Downtown Kamloops. Construction everywhere. It's a mess.
You guys come down to the park?
Yeah, we've been down there. It was hard for me to meet up with him because he doesn't understand the word where. He was at the wrong bathroom. How many people were involved in putting this together?
There's Happy Canada Day.
Oh, neat.
Well, we have Nandi from Nandi's
I've been to Nandi, Fiji.
Harvest by
I got
Nandi.
married in Nandi,
Did you? Oh, good. Yeah.
Fiji.
When Nandi was there, or
Huh?
was Nandi there then? Because he had the original restaurant, then he
No, I was in Fiji.
Harvest by Nandi.
No, Nandi is the city in Fiji.
Yeah. Well, that's it, I guess. Happy Canada Day.
Is that it?
That's it.
Here comes the traffic now.
Yeah.
No, how many people were involved in putting this together?
Oh, well, I did the entertainment. I'm the president of the Multicultural Society, and then Nandi's vice president. He did most of it.
Yeah.
Event coordinator, and then we had probably 10 of us.
10. Must be some highly technical people running computers and that.
Oh, you mean that? No, I don't know that one.
Like
The whole Canada.
the choreography of how do they put it together.
Yeah.
So
Lots of practice.
you're part of the Multicultural Society.
Kamloops Multicultural. This is our 49th year we've been doing this.
What?
Canada Day.
Oh, but with fireworks.
Well, fireworks. This is the first year we did the drones.
Huh. I used to belong to the Calgary Immigrant Aid Society. I taught an Iranian family how to speak English.
Good.
Now I'm trying to teach him English.
Yep.
You got to understand the word where.
He doesn't know.
English will be good. Yes.
Yeah. See, good. Perfect.
He's learning.
James no speak English.
No, he don't.
Abi yes English.
I don't understand him.
James
I don't
Farsi.
understand him though.
Speak Farsi. Yes.
See, good.
James speak Farsi. Abi English. Yes.
Are you teaching him Farsi?
James.
You teach him.
I've learned how to count in Farsi.
Good.
But
I'm good English.
Yeah.
I'm good English.
Yeah, you're good.
English
Good.
no.
Very good.
I'm good.
you're getting better.
30 yes.
Yeah, nice.
Turkish. I'm trying to get him on stage. I was on stage last Thursday at the Rock and Firkin,
Yeah.
and I sang White Wedding, Billy Idol. But he-
Canada, 4 months.
4 months? Yeah.
4 months
Nice.
Canada, yes.
Good job. Welcome to Canada.
No hano work permit, no hano.
Work permit?
No
Yeah.
work permit, yo.
That's his favorite phrase. Work permit. I hear it all the time. Work permit. Work permit.
Work permit, no go Iran.
Great. No, don't go back.
One month, yes. I have work permit, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I
Good.
know go Iran, yes.
Stay here. Staying for here.
You,
120 years, my math. From India.
Ek do teen char panch. Just at that, no das. I know how to count in Hindi. That's about it.
That's how many fingers you got.
Yeah.
India.
Yeah, very good.
But I was born here. My father was born here too.
Yeah, Delhi.
Punjab somewhere. I've
Punjab, yes,
never been there. I know go. I was born here.
Yes, India, very good, yes.
We go back in time. I bought this for $40 at the craft store.
Look at that.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Back to the future. Uh-oh. If I go 88, I'm going to get arrested by this cop here.
Cash work, no cash work.
Cash, no cash work.
No cash work.
No, nobody has any money anymore.
Anyways, nice meeting you. I'm
You
Jim.
two guys, Jim. Watch your car. Gonna get you.
Whoa.
Cash work, yes.
Oh, welcome to Canada. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Very good.
Go to Indonesia. I was there last year. It's beautiful.
I gotta get a day off first.
Okay, we try again. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. Well, I guess that's it for the drones. It's finished. So what now?
Go. Go, okay. You know.
It's finished. It's done. Finished. It's over.
You go home. Sleep.
Yeah. Oh, you need sleep again?
Yes, sleep.
You okay, wait.
Yeah.